What's going on, savages? There's nothing like getting that MTB Pro box in the mail. We're gonna open this thing up, July 2017, see what we got. Let's do it. Probably was a better way to do that. Alright. Oh, I like the looks of this. Alright, where's my card at? Oh, do I like the looks of this? Where's the card? Alright, we're gonna go in order. I just like to do things orderly. Cambio Spin by Duo Realist. Let's find that. It's gotta have a spinner on it somewhere. Here we go. Look at that, guys. That's pretty cool. It's all in Chinese on the back, so I can't read it. Basically a spinnerbait. It's like a very interesting blade shape on that. Look at that. I've never seen anything like that. I don't know if any of you guys read Chinese, but Japanese, they're trying to explain something about that there. I don't know. Looking good. Cambio Spin. Cool. We're gonna try it out. Up next, Kahara Skirted Rat in Rat by Kahara, nonetheless. Check that out. Look at this, guys. Topwater Mouse in the brown crawdad color. It's pretty nice. Let's get a better look. Very, very cool. Very long legs. Probably trim those down. But that color, very nice. The eyes on that. Topwater Mouse, very cool, very cool. Up next, Booza Brush Bug by Stan Sloan Zorro Baits. I'm gonna say that's gonna be a soft plastic or a jig. It's a jig. It's a brush bug. It's black and blue jig. 3/8 ounce. Just a basic jig, it looks like. Nothing too special. But you can never have enough black and blue jigs. Next, the Dream Shot Opt by Strike King. Guys, if you didn't check out my drop shot video I just posted, there'll be a link in the description. Go check that out. Some good stuff. Went over the rigging, the best drop shot setup. Check it out. Drop shot. It's a great method for catching bass when they're finicky. Dream Shot by Opt. Let's check it out. It's gotta be Strike King. What's these? Yeah, the Dream Shots. These are pretty cool, guys. I've used Dream Shots before. I like them a lot. And this color is very interesting. Check this out, guys. So it's a Dream Shot. We're all familiar with that. So it's got a green top, tiny little blue stripe on the side, and a brown belly. It'll be a great imitation for some of the bluegill, and also some crawdads, small crawdads, crayfish, whatever you want to call them. You guys all have different names for them. Very cool. We'll be getting those out in the water. The Shimmer Shad by Ketchco. Another drop shot little rig, guys. Check this out. Nice color as well. Most of the forage in the Northeast, we don't have too much shad in our local ponds. It's mostly bluegills, minnows, baby bass, crawdads, main forage, so this color is going to be perfect. I'm excited to try out a new drop shot rig, guys. Ketchco. Very nice. Very nice. The Trapper Tackle Drop Shot Hook. Ah, yes, I've heard about these. I've seen videos of these. Pretty cool. I'm gonna take one out so you guys could actually see it. It looks like almost like an offset, like a baby offset for drop shotting. There's only 3 of them in there. They must be good. Check that out. That's pretty cool. 2-aught drop shot live bait / finesse is their claim to fame. Bait lock, fish lock. It's on. And last we got Drop Shot Weights by MTB. Check that out, guys. Look at that. They give you a couple of different styles there, assorted. We got 3/16 ounce and 1/4 ounce. Very nice. This is from Carl Von Dibble himself. He gave me a little note here. I was on the phone with him earlier. We were having a press conference. It said, "Dear MTB subscriber, these puppies are from my personal stash. I thought they might bring you some luck. I use the straight ones around grass and round ones around rock and hard bottom. Now go drop it like it's shot. Oh, and catch you a hog. Happy fishing." The other KVD. Very cool. Very cool. I'm liking the sticker. That's pretty cool. I got anything else? I don't want to forget anything. Nope. That's it, guys. July 2017 Mystery Tackle Box Unboxing. Hope you enjoyed it. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. Over and out.